filed by private citizens whether the Secretary General possesses discretion on when to transmit to the Speaker of the House of Representatives any impeachment complaint properly endorsed by a member or members of Congress. D. As to the complaints filed by the private citizens, the basis and authority of the Secretary General to refuse the transmittal of the complaints for impeachment to the Speaker of the House of Representatives for inclusion in the order of business within 10 session days from the time it was properly endorsed by a member of the House of Representatives. E. As to the complaint filed by the private citizen and regardless of the legal position of the respondents, the number of session days that lapse from the time the complaints were properly endorsed by a member of the House of Representatives to its transmittal to the Speaker of the House of Representatives and its inclusion in the order of business. F. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, which office or committee prepared the draft of articles of impeachment and when it was completed. G. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, when it was circulated to the members of the House of Representatives and whether it was circulated to all the members of the House of Representatives. H. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, when it was circulated to the members of the House of Representatives, whether it was accompanied by the evidence for each article charged, or if there was a committee report for the information of the members to decide on whether to endorse or not. As to the evidence supporting each and every article, whether Vice President Sara Duterte was given the opportunity to be heard on the evidence shared with the members of the House of Representatives. J. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, whether each of the members of the House of Representatives had time to peruse the charges and the evidence before affixing their consent. And pinakahuli, K. As to the articles of impeachment transmitted to the Senate, when it was included in the order of business of the House of Representatives for consideration by the entire plenary. The respondents are given non-extendable period of 10 calendar days from receipt of this resolution within which to respond.
Nako.
Ayan po.
Matindi. Matindi.
Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng mga yun ng Supreme Court?
Alam mo,
Mother
eh,
and
dalawang
loving son.
bagay ang
Amadayan.
natatamaan dyan.
Strong mother and
May
loving son.
relasyon sa una, yung
mama ko,
tinatawag
ay, anak
na
ko na yung
violation
alaga ng mama na.
of 1 year
Si,
ban.
anak ko na yung nurse.
Okay.
Makikita mo dyan,
Ano
kaya
gano'n na?
inisa-isa
Kaya
in-itemize ng Korte Suprema
Anak niya ni si Bambi.
yung pangangailangan
Jim
na
Siak.
ibigay sa kanila
Jim Siak.
lahat.
Ang giningaw
Under
nila.
oath,
Opo.
Di,
o
Puro
yung
bayot yan.
ikalawang bahagi,
Madayo.
pupunta dun sa pupunta dun sa
Philip Salvador.
Si Kuan.
katibayan
Joshua.
kung talagang yung verification niya totoo.
Okay.
So,
Ngayon,
special
under oath,
sergeant.
I don't say you won't believe one. Our workday only 6 hours long. 1 month probation with 2 pay. $7,000 a month during and $8,000 after probation.
Sorry you're a little too late. I've already chatted with 6 similar employers on Boss Job.
Congressman Nelson,
Opo.
sinasabi, kailan na nailagay sa order of business yung unang tatlo
Opo.
na in-endorse na impeachment complaint na isinulong ng private citizens. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, Jen, yung December 2, in December 4, at saka in December 19. Kasi kagaya ng binabanggit natin nung mga nakakaraan patungkol dito, pagka-receive mismo ng opisina ng Secretary General, immediately kanya i-repair mo sa opisina ng Speaker.
Ayun,
Kaya
tama.
kinukwenta natin ano ba yung immediately.
Opo. Sa lalong madaling panahon
Sa
dapat.
aking
oh.
pagkakaalam, sa mabilis na paraan,
Mm.
sa madaling pagkakataon, ano pa yung ibang synonym ng si immediately?
Agad-agad.
Agad-agad.
Opo.
Karaka-raka. Kane.
Nakaraka. O yan.
Hindi ba hapon
Opo.
yun?
Oo nga po. Parang hapuno eh. Oh.
Ha? Padalos-dalos mong ibigay. Parang gano'n, ha?
Mamadali.
Basta bilisan mo. Ibig sabihin, huwag kang magpatumpik-tumpik.
Aha.
Huwag mong tatagalan. Huwag kang kukupad-kupad. Yan ang
Oo.
ibig sabihin nun eh. Immediately. So, kailan mo ni-repair? Kaya meron siyang tanong dyan, binabasa ko eh.
Oo.
Meron ba kanyang discretion yung Secretary General para yon ay kanyang ibinbin?
Oo nga pala.
Kanyang,
Oo nga, oh.
kanyang
Kailan itatransmit?
ipitin muna.
Oo.
Parang tutulugan niya muna at hindi niya muna ibibigay sa opisina ng
Oo nga. Kasi
ng
parang inipon niya
Hindi na sa mga kamubon doon.
ang sagot doon hindi wala kang discretion.
walang kapangyarihan yung SecGen.
Ang SecGen is the highest administrative officer of the House of
Ng Kamara.
Representatives.
Okay.
Wala siyang discretion.
Opo.
Ang kanyang trabaho is ministerial in character. Ano ibig sabihin? Kung ano yung nakalagay doon, yun lang ang gagawin mo. Katibayan yun ng rules ng rules ng impeachment eh. Pinagtibay yun eh.
Opo.
Hindi basta-basta yun. Hindi mo po pwedeng teka muna, bukas ko na ang ibig sabihin ng immediately kaagad mong ibigay.
Opo.
Wag ka nang wag ka nang mag-isip na kasi wala ka namang dapat isipin pa eh. Pag nakita mo na yun ay verified, yun naman, kaya napakadali naman, may checklist kung anong verification. Napakarami niyang abogado doon na mag-advise sa kanya, o palagay mo ng isang araw. Isang araw.
Opo.
Siguro naman sa loob ng isang araw, mga ilang pahina lang naman yun, bubusisiin, o ito ba'y na-verify? Pag verified kasi, talagang may nagnotaryo,
Oo.
tinignan kung yung forma, nandiyan ba yung forma, meron bang, may cause of action ba, may ganito. Sige, i-repair na natin.
Ayun.
Paano ngayon sila magbibigay ng under oath na sagot sa mga requirements na yun ng Korte Suprema? Wala nga siyang discretion eh. Ministerial, lilitaw ngayon dito na yung Secretary General, kauna-unahan, hindi niya ginanap at tungkulin niya. Lalong-lalo na yung December 2.
Oho.
Doon nagsimula eh.
Yun ang una eh.
Alam mo, kaya